If you've seen those viral ads saying, "Get free handcrafted jewelry, just pay shipping," you've probably come across Ethan Lara Jewelry. But before you pull out your card, here's the truth you need to hear, because something about this brand doesn't add up. Ethan Lara markets itself as a luxury handmade jewelry company operating since 1996, yet the domain was registered only a few months ago, which instantly raises questions about their entire backstory. When you look closer, the founders they promote, Ethan and Lara, don't appear to be real people at all. The photos look AI generated, the details don't match, and nothing leads back to any legitimate business identity. The jewelry they claim is designer quality seems to be the same low-cost pieces found on Chinese wholesale sites, but were sold at inflated prices with emotional, story-driven marketing. Their customer service setup also raises major concerns. No real phone number, a suspicious address, vague company details, and a refund policy that feels designed to block customers from ever getting their money back. A 15-day return window with a 30% cancellation fee, plus demanding buyers ship returns back to China at their own expense, makes the process nearly impossible. Even the glowing 5-star reviews are only found on their own website, while real customers online report receiving cheap, poor quality items, or in many cases, nothing at all. This video breaks down every major red flag surrounding Ethan Lara so you can avoid wasting money, getting stuck in a complicated refund loop, or falling for emotional marketing tactics that aren't backed by real transparency. Before trusting any brand that promises luxury for free, make sure you know exactly what's behind the shine.